Saba lang mong larga na.
Eh, siguro na.
Sugod na, sugod na.
Oo.
Sige, sige. Good evening, sir. We are here to present our system, chicken meat inventory management system, and Junal Gonzaga will demonstrate the workflow of our system.
So, first of all, we can see the registration form. So, you can fill out the registration form, and you cannot proceed to login form if the input fields are not filled out. So, after completing the registration form, we can proceed to login form. So, we proceed to login form because I have already an account. And then after the login form, we can proceed to dashboard, which is contains POS, inventory, customer, and logout. And then when we click on inventory, we will see option for creating a new product, updating price, listing product, and viewing available product. So we will create products that we will sell, and we will create the product that will sell. And after creating them, you will see them in the list of products and available products. So go to and so you can see that our available products is successfully created. And then after we go to list of products, where you can see the products I created. Here you can also update. You can also update and delete. So let's try to update the price. In the selection ID, you can see our product. So update price. They already updated the price. We can see all. So please proceed to delete. Try to delete. So it's already deleted. So let's try the function to click the available products. So you can see our available products. You can also delete her, and if you are out of stock, so go. So you can. It's already deleted. So create new product, Janelle. So create last one product, Janelle. So we are already done to inventory. So let's now proceed to POS. So go back to main dashboard, Nel, and let's go to POS. We when we click the POS, we will see the POS dashboard, which is option for creating a new customer order, listing order, and viewing the sales report. So if a let's click the new create customer new order. So if the customer wants to place an order, just click on create new order. So please fill out this field. You can also add product. So you can also select 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 multiple product in one order. And you can see the total price, and you can see the total and the price of our product. If you can see all, you can see also the our available products. So Nel, type the quantity of drumstick. Ano. Okay. Ano. Ayaw mo ba? You can see the insufficient stock for the select product. So we cannot we cannot buy a we cannot buy a product that we sell in our available products out of stock. So you can also buy a product that the quantity is in our available product. So you can also remove the product that we buy. It's so and you can also add product. Add one last time. Once you're done, you can also put the name of customer, and you can also put the amount. So you can see the amount paid, our amount paid, and you can see the what total of change. So we can create order. You can proceed. So once you create order, you proceed to order receipt. So let's put amount Nel 3,000. So you can see your total change 1,000 pesos, and you can also download receipt into PDF. There you go. So you can see our total receipt, our receipt for the customer. You can see the order ID, customer name, products, quantity, and the price and total price and the amount and change and order time. Let's proceed to list of order. You can see the list of order. You can see the ID, customer, product, total price, create at and action. You can also view view receipt in list order. So click the view receipt. You can also download into PDF. So back to dashboard Nel. You can so let's proceed to sales report. You can see our total sales. So back to dashboard. So now let's back to main dashboard. So now let's try to click customer. So customer to record who ordered from us. We also have a reward system for them if they frequently purchase our product. So you create the new customer name, email, address, and phone number. So you can see the customer created successfully. So you can see our input in create new customer. So let's go back to dashboard. So now let's try to figure out the logout. So click the logout. And that's already done. And then this system is ready to be used for the business. And that's all. Thank you.